My check. All right, so I'm gonna do the weekly outlook. That's what I got for the DXY right here. So if you're in the group or whatever, you're already in the chat, you already know. We're looking for DXY to continue to go down. Reasons why, based on the weekly chart, based on the weekly chart and the weekly CRT, this is what I'm looking for right here. Let's see. So I got the range high right here, range low. CRT range high, CRT range low. This is how I use CRT. Shout out to Romeo. Shout out to everybody who put me on to the CRT. CRT low right here. So I've been looking at this for the past, since, honestly, I can say about 2 weeks ago. Also, I'm using the seasonal tendency chart. Based on that, I'm looking for the dollar to kind of be in a sell-off right now, just based on same way I was August through October. I was looking for the dollar to go up, so I was short on foreign currencies. Now, you can see we're in a bit of a decline based on this seasonality of this chart right here. So I'm looking for the dollar to sell off. How long is it going to sell off? I'm not sure. It could just be a retracement into a fair value gap, or we could, see some lows going into 2025. We just had an election here in the U.S. But basically my primarily focus is on the CRT high and the CRT low. As you can see, the last week in November was bearish, came down. The first week of December right here, CRT. The first week of December, NFP, we had the dollar pretty much sold off all last week until Friday. We had like a drop and then it closed bullish. I mean, it's a bullish day, but we took out the previous day's low. So that was just a little bit of a retracement right there. So basically, based on the daily chart, what I'm looking at, if you trade ICT, then you already see the turtle soup. And we're back into the breaker right here. So everything's lining up for a sell-off. Anything can happen, but everything's lined up. I'm looking for us to at least take this 104.95 level right here. Take this low. So I'm looking for something like this to start the week off. It's not really much. I'm not really looking for it. It could go above here, take this liquidity, come down, or we could just see it tank. Got some inefficiencies right here. So that's what I'm looking at for the dollar. So I use the dollar to trade everything else for the most part. Basically, what I'm looking at now, using what I know now for the dollar, I'm looking to buy the euro, USD. So same thing here. Same thing here. We got this range low right here, range high. And even though this could be, same thing right here. We got the range high, range low. So we could, you can look at it all ways, but I'm focused on this one. Basically, because this week right here, for the last 2 weeks in November, we went down low, took out the previous week's low here, and then we immediately went bullish. So long term, I'm looking at it to come up here. Based on like I said, based on the dollar, it should be selling off on the seasonality. I'm looking for the dollar. I'm looking for the Euro USD to go up. So boom, right there. Looking for something like that. Looking for Euro to go to the 1.07280 level. Let's see. We jump down into the daily chart. And that's a weekly analysis. So, you know what I'm saying? We always got a daily chart right here. We play it by day. So, as of last week, I was still bullish. So we would have caught some of that move going up. Looking for it to continue to go up. Same thing here with the GBPUSD, one of the trades that we took last week. Based on same thing with the weekly, get the CRT there. And the CRT is meant to hit the 50%. So we've already hit the 50%. Now we're going for the top level 1.29. So basically, we had the daily chart. We had a rebalance to the FVG right there. That was a buy opportunity. Went up, took out that high. So we're still making money no matter what. And we also got the ICT turtle soup pattern going on right now. Let's see. Let's look at one more. Let's look at gold. So with the dollar going down, I'm looking for gold to be bullish as well. So if we go, we can start on the monthly here. I know a lot of people trade gold in the group. So right here, based on the monthly, we got a range low, range high situation with the CRT. So I'm looking for that. What's that? 2,799. So 2,700. Looking for that level to get hit with gold. Should be trading at that price pretty soon. If we look at the weekly chart, we can see we ran out this liquidity, and we immediately went bullish, and then we had a little bit of a retracement last week. Last week we didn't do much NFP week, so this is a little bit of a retracement. So I'm honestly looking for this to just take off right here, just like just go crazy out of nowhere, because we kind of been consolidating. So we're really looking for it to break out of consolidation. If you look at the 4-hour, like I said, just a bunch of consolidation right there. So not much really going on, but I'm looking for overall based on, you can even see on the monthly right here, that monthly CRT. All right, so the next video, I'm gonna jump into crypto, and then we'll be doing more. If anybody got like stuff they want to look at, we'll be doing more, and then we'll be going live and stuff. So this next video is gonna be strictly on crypto.